Here are 6 negative stories you keep telling yourself, and they are slowly destroying your confidence. Number 1, I'm not good enough. No, you're just comparing yourself to others. Number 2, I always fail. You don't fail, you learn. Number 3, people don't care about me. Some do. You're just looking at the wrong ones. Number 4, it's too late for me. It's not late. You're just scared to start. Number 5, I'm not lucky. Luck comes when you keep showing up. Number 6, I don't deserve happiness. Yes, you do. You're human. Stop believing these stories, because your mind believes what you repeat. Choose a better story and change your life.